Guys, look at this beautiful piece of petroli sole I've got. Let's do a Parmesan crust on it, okay? So we're gonna start by getting all our breading procedure ready. I got some breadcrumbs. Then I also grated some fresh Reggiano Parmesan. You gotta use this fresh stuff, guys. So go ahead and grate up some cheese, and I'm gonna add a couple big handfuls of that right in with my breadcrumbs. Super simple. Add a little bit of salt, a little pinch of pepper. That's it. Give that a nice mix. Kind of set that aside. And guys, we're going to get our flour mixture. And I'm using rice flour today. That's going to add a nice little crisp for any of this that misses getting coated by that breading. When it hits that rice, it'll get nice and crispy. So again, a little salt and pepper. Mix that up. And we're going to set that one aside, and I'm going to get a couple of eggs. We're doing a standard breading procedure here. Flour, egg, bread. So we're going to mix up those eggs. Same thing, once again, a little bit of salt and pepper. Season everything. We want this to taste good. We want this to be well seasoned. So we get this all ready, and we're going to take a piece of fish, and it goes right into that flour. Kind of coat both sides really well. Dust it off and throw it into those eggs. And the egg's going to just glue right onto that flour. Then we go into the bread and cheese mixture, which is going to glue onto the eggs. This is perfect. Press it on a little bit, and look at that. Let's go ahead and cook. I got a little olive oil in my pan, and I'm going to add some butter too. It's going to help it get nice and brown. We're going to just throw those right in there. Got my big one right in the center and a couple little ones on the side. Guys, just move these around. Cook them kind of medium heat. Let them get nice and golden brown. They're going to take a second to cook through, but not too long. And once they get nice and golden, flip those things over. Look at that. Those are just about ready. Go ahead and pull them out of the pan. We're going to make a sauce right there in the pan. I've got some butter, and I got some shaved garlic. It's going to be a real nice start. Just let that garlic kind of caramelize a little bit. That butter starts slightly turning brown, and we're going to add in some capers. We'll let those capers kind of just cook in there for just a moment. And I'm going to deglaze with some white wine, about a quarter cup. I pour that in, let that reduce down. I turned my heat off. Now I add in my butter, and I'm just going to swirl that in. It's going to all thicken up. Guys, I finished my sauce with a little squeeze of lemon juice. I somehow didn't record that, but it's in there, and that's perfect. That's all you need. Get that to a nice consistency. If it's a little thin, add a touch more butter. You'll be all right. So let's plate. We're ready. I'm going real simple. The fish goes down. I'm just putting a little bit of sauce on it. Just a little bit across, like a stripe across, so I keep some of the integrity of that crispiness. I made some pasta on the side, and that's it, guys. Look at that. Just get in there and enjoy. I took a bite of this, and I forgot how good this is. That Parmesan crust, it's just amazing. It just pops with flavor. The little acidity from the lemon and the capers and that butter sauce, just perfect. And a little pasta on the side. Man, what a treat. Thanks for watching. Cheers, everyone.